Hello traders, Mark Chapman here, the creator of the trademark Trap Traders concepts. Welcome to today's Trap Traders Trade of the Day analysis. Today's date is the 9th of February 2017. The trap we're going to look at today is a new trap, not one that I've discussed in the daily video before. This is what I call a trend line bounce trap. And you guessed it, it's a trap that occurs as prices bounce off trend lines. And what you want to see is a trend line that's touched at least twice. This one's touched several times. The more the merrier, obviously, because people are going to have eyeballs on it, and that's good for us. So you want to have the trend line also be a nice angle, right? About a 45-degree angle on the way up, like that. Nice angle, nice and obvious. The market making a series of higher highs, higher lows, right? Definition of a trend. And essentially what we have is when price comes back into that level, traders at the hard right edge who have been trading this and making money historically will look to trade this to new highs, as they had done, here, etc, etc. So the idea is that they're believing that the market will follow through to the upside. And critically, the market did bounce off the trend line pretty much to the pip, and that's what will induce those traders into taking some risks. So let's just highlight that area. It's that area in particular. More or less got it all nice, missed a bit, but you get the idea. So if you were looking at that, the hard right edge, you would literally believe that what had happened historically, right? So how price had reacted in and around here as it bounced off the level and kind of in here as well, is actually occurring again, and that's what will get someone in to spend some money, take some risk, right? That's what makes you do it. Coming off the sidelines and attempt to make some money, okay? And initially, in the beginning of the trade, it does actually provide you with some upside, and that's part of that process, that trapping mechanism that cons people into taking trades, because they're not really focusing on what's coming. They don't know this yet, right? That's all they know. So if we sort of blank that off, that's the hard right edge. The market's reacting in a way that is congruent with their analysis, and perhaps in line with some money that they've made historically. Maybe they went long there, made some money. Maybe they went long there, made some money. So this is just another opportunity to make money, and it looks exactly the same. Aesthetically, it's slightly different, but the process is exactly the same as it had before when it made money, when it bounced off the trend line. So there's no reason why people wouldn't believe that's going to continue. But when they come in off the sidelines and take some risk, they fail to understand that the hard right edge is going to fill with price. It just requires some time. But it's not part of their analysis. Their analysis is those historical structures, right? The trend line, maybe it's breaking and pulling back into some structure, etc, etc. It just lines up, and they believe that it's now potentially a trade. Then it comes to the level, it starts to react off it, starts to bounce off it and head up. That's what convinces them in, but they've gone too early, and now look. So had those traders took those trades, they will be in trouble now, and a portion of them will have cancelled their stop losses where people place stops under these structures. Okay, this is the price action that would convince them to perhaps cancel those stops, and there'll be a portion of traders who are now in these positions losing money. Now if this retraces on this area here, this looks like a pretty good place to get short. Fundamentally, it's a sound trade as well. So this looks like a decent opportunity. Just wait for a pullback, get your stop above the trap, above this level if you can, and make sure you go for a minimum of 221. Keep the math on your side. And if you'd like to learn how we have essentially hacked the trading strategies, the vast majority of traders out there, you want to join me in my inner circle. It is absolutely flying in there. The guys are loving it. The information is mind-blowing to a lot of people. Not many people think of the markets in this way, and certainly not to the degree that we discuss it. If you'd like to stop being on the side of the losing team, if you'd like to take some trades that actually make you some money, then you want to click the link below and come and join me in my inner circle, and you will definitely be very pleasantly surprised. So with that said, have a great day, take care, and I'll see you soon.